In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file in ClickUp, whether you're managing tasks, organizing projects, or simply streamlining information. Importing your data efficiently is a great way to get started. Let's walk through this process together so you can integrate your CSV files into ClickUp seamlessly. First things first, open your web browser and head over to clickup.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account to proceed with importing the CSV file. Once you're logged in, your ClickUp homepage will be your starting point. With your account accessed, draw your attention to your profile icon. This is usually located in the upper corner of your ClickUp dashboard. Clicking on this icon will display a menu. From this menu, you'll need to locate and select Settings. The Settings tab is your go-to place for making adjustments to how ClickUp serves your needs, whether you're tweaking your profile or importing important data. Now that you're in the Settings area, scroll through the options and select Imports/Exports. This selection will direct you to a place where anything related to importing and exporting data is managed. It's where ClickUp allows you to bring data into the platform or download your existing data in various formats. Once you're in the Imports or Exports section, look for the Spreadsheet option. Click on it. This action guides you further down the path that lets ClickUp know you intend to import data from a spreadsheet format, such as a CSV file. Next, you'll be prompted to select location. This is your starting point to choose where within ClickUp you would like your imported data to end up. For instance, you might select a specific workspace or list. Being mindful about this selection will help keep your data organized. After choosing the location, click Continue. This confirmation step moves you another step closer to getting your CSV file uploaded. Here's the final piece. You can now drag and drop the file you've prepared directly into ClickUp. Simply take your file from your desktop or File Explorer and drop it into the designated area on the screen. ClickUp will automatically begin the import process, passing through the data to fit it into the structure you've set within your chosen location. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have successfully imported a CSV file into ClickUp. This method allows for more efficient task management and organization, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters for your projects. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and I hope it's been helpful in enhancing your ClickUp experience. Feel free to explore further options within ClickUp to see how else you can optimize your workflow.